Catherine Bernardo update. Yung post ni Catherine sa kanyang Instagram. Ang ganda pa nga ng model ng KFC. Catherine Bernardo yan. Sabi ni Catherine, did anyone say with chicken? KFC single fillet is bigger, thinner, and lighter, and made with grilled chicken. Satisfy your spicy and crispy crumbling with the single steak duo. Yun o. Sarap yan. So yun o. Pwede gawin wallpaper. Picture ni Catherine. Ganda eh. Ganda talaga si Catherine eh. Saka ito pa. Yung ganyan kabait si Catherine sa mga fans niya during taping ng Someone Someday. Pinabangan yan coming soon. Kaysa magpunta si Catherine eh. Nagkaguluan eh. Ayan, maswerte na pagpa-feature kay Catherine. Ayan, very accommodating si Catherine sa mga fans eh. Don't forget to subscribe, click the notification bell for more update. This is Featured in Action Vlog. Stay tuned for more videos. See ya.